Here are different ways to receive credits, or not, because many ways to express that is actually to refuse the thanks. So first we have ieiye, 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 which literally means no, no. I guess we wouldn't logically need to say no twice, but it's now part of the cultural way to speak. And actually some people say it 4 times, yeah, 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 yeah. Another is to say don't worry about it, which is 気にしないで, 気にしないで, 気にしないで. Ki in this case means the attention. Ni is the particle, and shinai is the negative form of suru in the present tense. De is the type of conjugation. Because again, it's the shortened version of a bigger sentence, which is 気にしないでください or 気にしないでくれ, that you could use just like that, but it sounds as natural to just say 気にしないで, 気にしないで. Another way that we also use in English is it's nothing. In Japanese we say とんでもないです, とんでもないです, とんでもないです. In a casual conversation, just skip this and simply say とんでもない, とんでもない, とんでもない. Nah, that's nothing, don't mention it. The great thing is that you can combine these with いえいえ and say いえいえとんでもないです or いえいえ気にしないで. You're gonna sound so natural saying that in Japanese. You might know that Japan is very big on gifts. If not, you should see how much effort they put in wrapping them. So when you give a present and the other person likes it, you can say Yokatta, Yokatta, Yokatta. Yokatta is the past tense of yoi, which means to be good or great. Though in English it's a bit weird to say it was great when the other person shows that you got the perfect gift. In Japanese, it's used to say glad you like it. Now, how to say you're welcome? The standard way you'll probably learn in textbook is どういたしまして. 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 But as you can hear, it's pretty long, and so it's usually going to be an informal exchange. Still good to know though. So let's recap the main ways to say you're welcome. どういたしまして. いえいえ、気にしないで、とんでもないです。Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you found this helpful, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more content like this. じゃあまたね。